Hey everyone, this is Dhruv from Tech Insider India, and today I'm telling you the top features for the Mi 11 Lite NE 5G. In line with Mi 11 series, the Mi 11 Lite NE 5G also supports a sleek frame. The phone is lightweight at just 158 grams. The phone comes with USB Type-C charging port but misses out on a 3.5mm headphone jack. For security, you get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner on board, which is really snappy. You get a 6.55-inch AMOLED display on the smartphone. The panel supports a maximum refresh rate of 90Hz, which is great for gaming. The screen supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, which is another important highlight for the panel. According to the brand, the display provides accurate color contrast and vivid picture quality. Supporting this display is a dual speaker setup on the smartphone, which is fairly loud. You get a triple main camera setup on the Mi 11 Lite NE 5G. The primary sensor is a 64-megapixel shooter that can shoot 4K videos at 30 FPS and 1080p videos at 30, 60 and 120 FPS. Then there's an ultra-wide 8-megapixel camera, and finally there's a 5-megapixel tele-macro lens. The front camera is a 20-megapixel shooter that supports HDR and can shoot 1080p videos at 30 and 60 FPS. This smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset with Adreno 642L GPU. This chipset can clock processing speeds up to 3.2 GHz and is supported with liquid cooling technology. This 5G smartphone by Mi comes with a 4250 mAh battery. You get a 33-watt fast charger in the box, which that charges the phone at a rapid pace. So guys, those were the top features for the Mi 11 Lite NE 5G. I hope you found this video helpful.